Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my. You guys don't even know what the fuck's about to happen. I mean, you probably do if you read the title. Yes. Fuck yes. Holy sweet Jesus. It has been a long time coming for this. Alright. A slider out. Is this the only thing in there? Oh my god, bro. Look at that shit. Yep. Dude, this is where the money's at, though. I'm gonna get her open and I'll throw the camera back on when she's looking good. Alright, so if I'm correct, look right here. 249 grams. This thing is really light, about like equivalent to your iPhone, I'd say. You're gonna feel your phone in your hand right now if you have it. The whole point of it being under 250 grams, if I am correct, is you legally do not need a permit. You don't need any, like, really anything to fly this thing. You can go out wherever you want, throw it up, as long as it's not like private property type shit. And you can't get in trouble legally at all for it, which is perfect for us because police ruin a lot of things. There we go. Ooh, look at that little case, bro. What? Damn, that's actually mad dope. What else we got in here? I think this is all the extra shit. What's this thing? Just a box? Fuck the box. Fuck, man, I don't know. Oh, these are batteries down here, though, for sure. Those are the spare batteries. Not sure what that is. And, charger. Sick. Alright, now for the good part. The actual drone. Whew. I'm so fucking excited. Let's see this shit. Ooh, look how small that is, dude. Wow, dude, that's so light, too. Fuck, I got blood on it already. Word. Look at the comparison to my phone. That is insane. Alright, I'm gonna take a little time to get this thing unwrapped, not fuck it up too much. Throw the camera back on when I got something. Alright, I got mostly all the stuff off. On the sides here, it actually comes with some directions. First step, unfold these front arms forward. Ooh, that actually feels good. Damn, alright. And then unfold rear arms downward. So I'm guessing you just, like this. Oh, word. Damn, bro, look at this little machine. Alright, back here, literally has a little slot to charge it, and you also can throw in the battery there. I'm assuming that's where the battery goes. I'm not even kidding you guys. This thing is so light, like literally paperweight. It's crazy. Here's where the camera is. I don't know if you can pop that off. I think you can. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, this thing rotates. Dude, what? Whew. I don't know if I even said. This is by DJI. It's called the Mavic Mini. One of the smallest drones out there. It's very affordable. This whole kit is the Fly More combo. Normally, the drone alone is like $400. And for an extra $100, you can literally get extra batteries, this case that comes with it. You probably don't need it, but if you really are like into content making and you genuinely need like a lot of footage, it's definitely the way to go. That's why I went for it. This thing is really sexy though. I'm gonna figure out a little more of the technicals about it, try to get this shit going, and yeah, I'll see you guys then. This, well, the DJI Fly More combo comes with this big battery charger, 3 batteries. It has multiple chargers, and this is the controller right here. This thing you plug into your iPhone, Android. It has literally all 3 chargers. You can use any phone that you want. And this is literally how you control it. You attach your phone to here, and DJI has an app I downloaded on my phone that'll connect to it. Also, that box that I thought was propeller guards, I just fucking chucked it. Not a good thing. When you get expensive products, don't chuck it like me. Don't be an idiot. Alright, this really might be the last time I have to throw on the camera before I'm in the air. This is actually really simple. Once you get through all the stuff and package everything, it's a very simple drone to use, really. I've never used a drone before, but this shit was really easy. So, you put this outside, anywhere, get like a nice open area. You'll connect your phone to this controller with the app and everything. And you can literally just take off. As simple as that. I mean, it's kind of like duh, but it really is as simple as that. You can take off. This button right here will bring it back to home point. So if you ever just want your drone to come back, you press that button, it'll fly all the way back, land at its home point. This is a power button. Little joysticks are pretty awesome though. When you get the app, it actually plays like not a personalized video, but a video for you to explain everything. This is how you elevate up, down, and then this is how you can like spin it or rotate it. And then this is how you just move through dimensions and all that good stuff. This is the case. You can literally carry all the essentials in it wherever you go. Alright, we didn't record a lot of the technicals because this shit was being really goofy. I don't know if it's a problem with like the DJI like app or if we were just being stupid, but it would not connect. But we finally got in the air, as you saw. It's really sick, really tiny, actually really easy to control. I got the remote charging, but if you're looking for a drone for literally really cheap, it's probably the best one you can go with, honestly. I really fuck with it. It's very beautiful too. But like and subscribe.